Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Security and Privacy. Following that, tap on Device Lock and select Face Unlock. Now you need to enter your current login method. Click on Setup at the bottom right corner and remember to keep your face in frame. Then read all of those instructions, hit Setup again, and when you're done, manage those two options however you want to. Lastly, select Next. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!